Ha! Today is Sunday, 7th of 7th of April. And I thought this is a wild rose bush that wasn't going to bud. Ha! I got 400 buds on that thing. Look at that. Just look at that. Millions of buds everywhere. So it took 2 years for that thing to bounce back. And then I walk around the corner and I'm shocked. Just 1 week. Look at this thing. That's crazy. Nice, fresh. Wow. What is up with that? Wow. Then of course we have a whole new patch of mint. That smells so delicious. Oh, nice, nice. And the fern out here is looking good, man.